Kittens will usually be born head first just like human babies, but if they do deliver feet first then there is no cause for alarm. After the first kitten arrives, you can expect subsequent kittens to take between 30 minutes and an hour to deliver. At 0 to 1 days, the umbilical cord will be attached and wet. At 1 to 5 days, the umbilical cord will be attached and dry. Around 4 to 5 days of age the kitten will naturally lose the umbilical cord. Never attempt to remove it manually, allow it to fall off on its own. 1-week-old kittens will have closed eyes, but no umbilical cord. Around 7 days, the ear canals will slowly begin to open. Around 8 to 12 days, the eyes will slowly begin to open. Never attempt to pry open a kitten's eyes, let them open naturally. All kittens will be born with baby blue eyes, which will change to their adult eye color as they age. By 1 week of age, the kitten should have doubled her birth weight. 2-week-old kittens will be wobbly on their feet and attempting to develop coordination and movement. 2-week-old kittens cannot regulate body temperature. During this time it is critical to provide a gentle heat source to keep the kitten warm and stable. The kitten's environment should be around 80 degrees at this time. By the 3rd week, you can tell if the kittens are boys or girls. Their teeth are coming in and their walking is becoming more confident. You can start providing a litter box and wet food. By the adding a new kitten to your family is an exciting time. Raising a kitten to adulthood can be an incredibly rewarding way to bond with your pet. A mother cat will provide everything a young kitten needs until he is about 4 weeks of age. All you need to do is keep the family warm, dry, and in a dark, private location. Mom will do all the feeding and cleaning. By the time your kitten is 6 weeks old, he should be eating both solid and canned kitten food. At this age, your kittens should also be started on health vaccinations to prevent them from feline distemper, feline herpes, calicivirus, and ultimately rabies. Shots are repeated every 3 to 4 weeks until the kitten is 4 months old.